So today, here on Zach's Workshop, what we're going to do is we're going to be pre-bending the back of this Subaru Outback. You guys love watching these cars fold in half. So we are going to get ready. I'm going to start moving some of this wiring so we can run our chain across here to just get this thing to bend up. I've heard a couple horror stories on the internet of you guys saying that these cars go down. And honestly, I kind of see it with these roofs designed the way they are. It's kind of a lot of force heading down. And I'm just going to get it so it bends up. So while Steven's getting set up back there, I'm going to move some wiring. And I got to fix this issue. I had a guy come and help me put in my cage. Told him to watch out for the seatbelt, but he didn't pay attention. So we got to take this seatbelt and put it on the other side of the cage so I can actually strap myself in. Cut out a little bit more carpet. And then take like stuff like this out that's going to fall out inside the derby ring. So Steven's going to find some chain. Not sure where, but I do have chain places.
You got like baby chains, man.
Little baby chains. I got these chains that are designed to hang on the hoists. Is this the chain? How about we use these chains, Steven?
Put a bolt in them and break it again.
Don't put a bolt in them, Steven.
Oh, my ass is going to be in that again.
We have the car all chained up now, and we're going to do the old-fashioned push the button, bend the car. Hopefully we don't rip the...
Should I have safety glasses on?
No. Hopefully we don't rip the wheel out of the floor. Guys, this Subaru doesn't want to bend.
That's fucking terrifying. So I was like, you can press the button, buddy.
Here. I'm going to go inside with a hammer.
You're brave.
Yeah.
You're stupid.
Are you sure you shouldn't have safety glasses on?
No, you're good.
Bang!
Found my room.
I wanna be the best in the game. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. Just maintain, obsessed with change. I'll be one day from society. Much disease of play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make it. All our insecurities. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every street. Won't let them best of me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic, psychotic, but it's logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic, chaotic. Gonna eat and make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to be. If you take off the gas, you can see all the hidden in the things in the past. Go all big and put your foot on the gas. All you have to stop and be there. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just want to be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off and I'm on this topic. Yeah, I ever play on it. You know that I'm always on it. Stay away from those who are toxic. You might have to pretty good. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of bleeding by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on, take away.
This spot is going to be where it goes right there. After you two guys working on it, it's still running. We're getting some good feels like it's running. I'm going to do this.
So we got the back end pre-bent up. None of the panels are moved, none of the roof is moved, but you guys can clearly see the pre-bend. I think it's good enough. I think we're going good, but the problem is with this pre-bend now, the hatch doesn't close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to suck this hatch in and then tie it shut while it's in. And because right now it's not going to do any good. If that comes up more, the hatch is just going to bubble out and it's not going to do me any good. So I'd like to get the hatch sucked in, tied shut, so then it's good to go. So let's get this thing done. We have 2 little mini come-alongs and a cross pattern. We'll see how tight we can get this. Might have to come in here with a hammer. We got the back of the car done there. We pulled it in with the ratchet straps and then put some seat belts. It's not perfect, but halfway through it, I realized that this gate is aluminum. What does that mean? Aluminum means that the metal just rips. So you can't put a whole lot of pressure on it anyway. It'd probably be better just to take it off because it's probably just going to explode and splinter everywhere. But heck, what the heck. Then we used the Goldilocks, which is our golden sludge hammer, which is a 10-pound sludge, or 12-pound, I think, whatever. And beat the snot out of her. So now you can see right into the gas tank, which is kind of nice. But I don't know, how heavy are you? I think you had numbers on you. 12-pound. So today was a pretty productive day. We got tires on there that don't go flat every 4 minutes. We got the cage in there, we got the gas tank bolted down, we got the battery in, strapped down, fuel wiring hooked up, seatbelt fixed, bumper on. We still have to put some plates on the bumper. I still want to disconnect the airbags from the seat and from the seatbelt. Got the loop line on. Tires on this side, not doubled, but they're on there. But you know what? Let's come up with a list of this for this together. We're just gonna write it right here. So we got a marker here. Airbag, seatbelt, airbag, driver seat, airbag. We're kind of getting repetitive here. Bumper plates. Those are going to help keep the front end on. Hole hoods. To keep the hood tied shut. Driver mirror. Tied door shut. Move wiring. Tighten. Bolts on cage. Fire extinguisher. Front window bar. Sunroof. Loose plastic driver area. The 3/4 bolts into cage. Battery cover. Gas tank cover. There's still quite a lot to be done to this. I wanted to get 2 cars ready for this show that this one's going to go to. I have a Dodge Dakota that you guys seen build. Still needs quite a bit of work, but I think we're going to struggle just to get this one done. Maybe I'll save the Dakota for a different show. I don't know. But this thing's still got quite a bit. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow, and we're going to attack every item on this list, and then who knows, maybe we could find some more that comes up. Because goddamn, I think I'm missing something here. GoPro maybe? So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow. I do want a rear view GoPro vision on this because I think I'm going to be driving with the back quite a bit in it. And we'll have to see how she does. You guys all said the last Subaru could have been much better is what you guys actually told me. And if I had to put some time, effort into it, it would have been much better. Well, guess what? I put a little bit more time and a little bit more effort into this. Not much. Still pretty much a little bit better bumper than last year, but we did lose a lot of the subframe. Same loop line as last year, same motor. We put headers on it. Much, much, much better cage, and we've pre-bent it. So we are doing a little better this year than what I think we did last. Oh, I did tie the door shut. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow and check out this car. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.